Hello and welcome back to another video. This will be our first time staying in the van properly over a weekend. We are currently in a place called West Bexington, which is near Abbotsbury and sort of a bit down from Dorchester and near Weymouth. So we're just literally along Chisel Beach. My parents and my grandparents and all my aunties and uncles have rented this gorgeous house for a week, and me and Scott are here for a weekend in the van because we thought this was a perfect time to try it out as there aren't enough bedrooms for us to stay. So this is the view out of the actual windows here. So the view is pretty stunning, I'm not gonna lie, and then you'll be able to see the van as well. And then I'll do a bit more videoing inside the van tonight probably, and tomorrow morning, and I've got some footage of while we were driving, so I'll probably insert that in now. But before that, this is our lovely view for the next few days. Ooh. Look how gorgeous that is. I bet the sunset tonight is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And there's the van. It's so exciting.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So here we are in the van. It's not completely done yet. We've just slept in it overnight. I didn't film much yesterday because we were kind of driving, getting here quite late after work and stuff. So I thought I'd show you a bit of it, or like the general gist of the van. Quite a lot of it isn't done, as you can see behind me. We've still got like bare insulation everywhere and stuff. I need to find a tripod or something, I think, because otherwise this is going to get quite precarious. And some of the painting still needs doing, like this won't all be white, it will be other colours. So I thought I'd just show you what we've done so far and then what we're going to do in the future. So I'm going to start at the back of the van. Everything that you see we have done ourselves. So all the windows, all the electricals, all the water system has all been done by us. So at the back we've got a double bed. It's a bit shorter than a normal double, but because me and Scott aren't that tall, it doesn't really matter. We've got some overhead storage for sort of clothes, and then we've got a nice little shelf over here, which is good for like charging phones, putting books on and stuff. And then next to that we have got the kitchen, so sink, little fridge down here, and then we've also got an induction hob, which is a plug-in that we just get out when we need to cook, and an oven. So we've got pretty much everything that we need, and we've got loads of storage in the overhead cabinets. Again, not everything's done, so that's why there's like bare wood everywhere. Then we've got a nice little mirror here. We just thought it'd be nice to have a good mirror in here, and then we're also going to put one in the pantry. So moving around, we then come around to nice big sliding window. Again, this is not done at all like this. It's not going to look like this. But this sliding window we put in ourselves. The cab, we changed the seats out so they are on a swivel, so it means that we can turn them around. We will be changing the seat covers probably as well, because they don't really go with the aesthetic of this van. Then we've got the little hobbit hole, and that's just where we're storing all of the like covers for the windows and everything. Then as I swing around, it's quite a tight space, so it's quite difficult to show you. We've got a load of really big cupboards, so these are massive. So these have got plates, bowls and everything else in them. Then I'm just going to take a seat, I think. This is the best way to show you. This is our lovely sofa area. So my mum has made the sofa cushion cover, the cushion covers, so it all matches. And the sofa cushion is this really nice blue pattern, is the same as it matches the window covers. We've also got a table on a swivel, so it means that we can move it so it's out the way, or we can swing it around in case we want to sit on the front seats. But moving on, we've got a Max Air fan up here, which is really useful when cooking. It literally is like the best thing ever. I love it. It extracts so much like steam and everything, so it means that we don't get too clogged up in here. Then this is going to be our shower area. At the moment it is quite bare bones. We have got a toilet though, so it means that actually if we are going places for an extended period of time, we have got somewhere. And then last but not least, we have got nice big wardrobe storage cabinet here, which we haven't quite worked out like how to fit everything in it yet, but we are working on it. Again, it's not painted. And then underneath this bag that we're using at the moment just to cover it, we have our control panel. So this has all of our electrical bits on, so how much power we're using, the inverter switches, the Max Air fan remote control, and then also the tank test for our water tank, so it tells us our water levels. But again, I need to find something to cover that up because it's a bit of a mishmash at the moment. So yeah, that's the general gist of the van. I've worked it out, but guys, the best place to put the camera is on that mirror shelf. So today, I think the plan is, not everyone's arriving till like 11, so I'm going to go in and make some breakfast. I think we're going to do bacon sandwiches. And then we're going to go on a little walk down to Chisel Beach. Oh. So that's the plan, and I will probably take you with me, and we'll probably be doing some drone flying potentially, and just seeing like the landscape. It looks really gorgeous over in, you can see all around like Lime Bay and everything, so hopefully I'll get some nice shots. Fingers crossed my camera working skills are quite good. So yeah, that's kind of the general gist for today, and then we're going out for dinner tonight at Abbotsbury pub. So I might film some of that, I'll see, because I will be with like all my family, so it might be a bit weird. So I'll see how much I can film of that.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something. Yeah, well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah, that's right. Let's go.
Hello. We didn't film much of today as quite a lot of things happened that we couldn't control. So tomorrow I will try and film a bit more, but we're all tucked up in bed ready to go to sleep in the van. So yeah, good night.
When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt, you're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All of this cloud and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Wake up, it's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you want it to be. I feel right and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'ma shout all about how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now, and I know I'll be found. I don't really care just what all of the haters gotta say. I know everything I do is gonna make them fade away. And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something. Yeah, well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah, then all you really need is hope. Take a look in the mirror, are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your ear, can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are, yeah, when you stand right here and say no? I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up, never loses to a foe. The one that could show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, motor, never slower. Good to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me. And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something. Yeah, well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drought and then creeps out, but with a little bit of hope you can figure it out. Keep your head high even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight and through the painful nights you keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising, keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself, don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this hell, take it one step at a time, one step as you climb. If you fail you'll be fine, get back up to the grind and never lose sight of your mission. Be driven, this life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it to win it, so get it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope.
We are now on our way back home. We're doing sort of like a scenic route, so we have stopped in Seaton. So we're going to do maybe some drone flying and just sort of stop here and have a little wander. So
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Done with our little van excursion for the weekend. We will be heading out again in the next week or so for an extended period of time, and we will also be going to the Overlander show in Stratford upon Avon at the end of that week. So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we will see you all next time.
Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves.